Well, happy Sunday, Quad Cities. Outside, we have some sunshine mixed in with some cloud cover as well. So overall, a much better start to the day than what we were looking at on our Saturday. 70 degrees, dew points though in the mid to upper 60s. So a very juicy air mass in place, and we just don't have anything to squeeze out that moisture for now. But as we head into the evening and hours and overnight tonight, we'll see that increasing. Now the radar is fairly quiet, just a couple of ground returns here, some ground clutter showing up on the radar. Any rain, you have to head towards the western half of Iowa. That's where we're seeing some scattered showers and storms, but the majority of this activity is lifting north and east, so it will stay to our north for now. But as you can see, the ring of fire, where all the heat and dry weather is situated just to our south. We're on the outer edge of that, so as we see these waves of energy moving in, and our next ripple or wave of energy will arrive later on this afternoon and evening, sparking off more showers and thunderstorms. So let me time this out for you here hour by hour. If you have any plans this morning all the way through the afternoon, I can't rule out an isolated shower sneaking through, especially across the western half of the area, but for the most part, I think we're going to stay on the dry side during the daylight hours. It's as we head into late this afternoon into the evening hours, we'll see showers and thunderstorms increasing from northwest to southeast across the area. And notice we have some of the yellows, oranges, and the reds showing up, an indication of some heavy rain along with some rumbles of thunder. So we're going to be watching that for you very closely this evening. And look, this kind of area of shower and thunderstorm activity basically doesn't move too much, so it kind of sits over the region. So we're going to be seeing that off and on chance of heavy rainfall continuing right into our Monday morning. We may see a little bit of a break during the day Monday before more showers and storms develop by Monday afternoon and evening, kind of along that same boundary, and that means that potential of heavy rainfall will be fairly high. How much are we talking about? Well, between tonight heading throughout your Labor Day, an additional 2 to 3 inches of rainfall is possible from places like Iowa City up towards Anamosa and Dubuque, while we're looking at on average about 1 to 2 inches across the rest of the area. But if you combine this with the rainfall we saw yesterday and also the rainfall we're expecting all the way through Friday, yeah, that's going to increase quite a bit. That means we could be looking at an additional 5 inches plus of rainfall from Savannah, Iowa City, Anamosa up towards Dubuque, so the northwestern half of the area, with an additional 1 to 5 inches across the rest of the area. So we've already have a saturated ground. We could be seeing much more in the way of rainfall headed our way. And with that all being said, that means we're going to have to watch this week very closely. Potential of flash flooding is in the moderate category, so it is elevated, and this may jump into the high range as we start to see some of the water levels rise along the local rivers as some of this moisture continues to evaporate into some of those rivers. So we're going to have to watch this entire situation closely. Your 7-day forecast, again, most of Sunday I think is primarily dry. I think it's Sunday afternoon and especially Sunday evening where we see those showers and storms really ramping up. And then as you go into your Labor Day, it's not going to be an all-day washout, but we will have several periods of showers and thunderstorms, some of which could be on the heavy side. We may see a little bit of break for Tuesday heading into early Wednesday before more chances of rain and potentially heavy rain arise for late Wednesday and Thursday with a cold front that could bring us some slightly cooler temperatures by the end of the work week.